Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. This is going to be a quick one. We have some new tools, and of course, starting tomorrow, free gift. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and or hyping. And normally, I've done new tools in the past on their own, but normally I try to combine them with the other videos. But I was super excited about the new tools that are out. There's a few new tools that just hit the new tools tab. But don't forget, starting tomorrow through Saturday, in-store only, screwdriver light bag, 4-inch magnetic parts holder, free gifts, all the coupons are up. But getting into the first new tool, Central Machinery 2-inch manual roll bender. Rugged tube bender, includes 3 precision die sets, ideal for fabricating roll cages, exhaust systems, and more. $280. All right, 2-inch manual roll bender. Then, kind of standard, kind of classic, Hercules alert. 6-inch crimped carbon steel bench wire wheel, $9, engineered for light to medium cleaning. This wire wheel delivers superior performance and durability for the metal prep jobs. That's my kind of job. Then Hercules again, the 4-inch by 1/4-inch shank crimped carbon steel wire wheel, pretty straightforward compared to Avanti Pro, $6, engineered for light to medium cleaning, superior performance. More wire wheels from Hercules, 3-inch by 1/4-inch shank crimped carbon steel wire cup brush at $5. Again, light to medium cleaning, superior performance for metal prep jobs. Then we have, this one's been up for a few days, maybe close to a week, the Warrior 8-amp 6-inch cutoff saw at $50. This compact chop saw cuts metal stock as thick as 1 inch at angles from 0 to 45 degrees. Okay, pretty cool. Warrior's still coming out with new tools. Like to see it, love to see it. Then, probably underrated, Pittsburgh 16-quart oil container with drain pan. Change oil without a mess of an open drain pan. I mean, you're gonna make a mess regardless, unless you're a pro or a HARBRO. But all right, without a mess, container collects oil, seals securely, and stands upright without leaking. 16 quarts. For my car, there'll probably be about 4 oil changes, so pretty decent. Then, 3-inch random orbit dual action polisher backing pad. Use this professional backing pad with random orbit dual action polishers. Okay, for the cover pros, for the drop cloth bros, we have a brand new 5x5 drop cloth. Keep paint and dust and debris off floors and furniture with this versatile drop cloth. This is clearly AI, I can't tell. $8. New drop cloth, okay, and then new color. This might have been up, but still I got excited, so I'm including this one. New color, US General Alert magnetic paper tower holder in purple. Also in all these other colors, I forget which colors they had available, but here we are now. Red, gray, black, blue, purple, of course. It says new. Oh, I guess it'll say new. Green, white, yellow, and orange. So the only one that says new is the new US General purple. For your purple, oh, here they have it mixed and matched with the black toolbox. $15, new color purple. Then, new color, US General magnetic glove tissue dispenser purple. Good to see, and I'm pretty sure this is the brand new color, but the one, for whatever reason, I was excited about, and maybe because that means they'll have more stock of them, because they have more colors now, is the US General 25-pound magnetic hook in purple. Now, did they have all the other colors available? I'm not sure why I thought they only had 4 colors available. They have gray, black, gray, red, black, blue, green, orange, yellow, and white. Allegedly, I feel like they go out of stock so often though. And now they have the new purple. The new purple. Anyways, I wanted to let the HARBROs know we had some new magnetic US General purple attachments. Or the Mac, really, this is the one that excited me. And just went through the rest of the new tools that Harbor Freight has going on. And of course, free gift with any purchase starting tomorrow. Store closed on 4/5. Confirmed. Well, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.